Do you remember? I think the
Okay,
other
sir.
day we talked about the word endure. Do you remember that?
Endure. No, sir.
Well, you know that root dur. Dur means something hard or strong. Dur, dur.
Okay,
So that's
do.
a Latin word that
Yes.
means like hard or strong or lasts a long time, something like that. And dur, to endure something means strong enough to survive something. So
Okay.
uh,
Strong enough to survive something.
yeah, so like if I say the old house couldn't endure the earthquake, what do you think that means? Using that word dur.
Yeah.
Dur means
Yeah.
strong, and endure
The,
means to be strong enough to survive.
yes. The old house didn't survive due to the earthquake.
Yeah, why didn't the old house survive? What was the problem with the old house?
Yeah, because the foundation was not good, strong,
Yeah,
enough strong.
the house wasn't strong enough. It was old and it wasn't strong enough to survive. Okay. So that's what
Yes.
endure means. So the word unendurable, unendurable. You have able, that means can, and un is negative. So unendurable means not strong enough to survive.
Yes. Not enough.
Yeah, but I mean, really, the way that you use it, it means just can't tolerate. I cannot tolerate. Uh, it's too much to tolerate. That's how it.
Yes. 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 Yeah.
It's a pretty common word. Endure, unendurable, endurance. You see that all the time. It's a pretty common.
Yes. 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 Common, but yeah. I, yes.
Can you see the example sentence that I have up on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Can you read it? What does it say?
Okay. So, undurable wait for the test results left her feeling anxious. Anxious.
Okay. So we have the first. I'm just going to say the word unendurable. How many syllables are in that word? Unendurable. How many syllables?
Uh, unendurable. Three.
Oh,
Unendurable.
I,
Char.
I,
Four.
I count five. Unendurable. There are five syllables in that word. That's a long word. Can you say?
Unendurable.
Yeah. Unendurable.
Yes. In the unendurable.
Okay. Now, a lot of times, if a word has more than three syllables, it can have more than one accent. All right. One accent will be very strong. What do you think is the strongest syllable in that word? Unendurable. Unendurable.
Yes.
Which one is the strongest?
Yeah. This is undurable. Durable. Here
Dur.
is the primary stress, and
Yeah. Uh-huh. And
then the
which
secondary.
go ahead. Sorry.
First is called the primary stress, and the second is called the secondary stress.
Okay. But can you recognize what is the other strong syllable? I don't think we have to worry too much about technical words. But what do you think is the other strong syllable in that word? So we've identified the really strong syllable, unendurable. But what would you say would be the secondary or the another stressed syllable, which maybe is not so strong?
Un.
Yeah, you're right. I think you're right about that. So this is unendurable, unendurable, unendurable.
Yeah.
So we've got two stress.
Un.
Go ahead.
Unendurable. Unendurable.
Can you make dur a little bit bigger? Unendurable.
Undurable. Undurable.
Let's do it like this. I think it would be better if we thought of it like this. I'm just going to change this here. Actually, maybe we'll separate this just to make it very clear.
Yes, yes.
Whoops. All right. So the first syllable, let's say, is ah. Can you just say,
Uh, uh,
and then let's say unen,
uh,
unen, unen,
onen,
unendu,
onen,
unendu.
onendu,
I want two R's. I want to have unendure. Let's say unendure.
onendure,
Okay, unendure. Can you say unendura?
onendure,
Unendura.
onendure,
Unendurable.
unendurable,
Okay, unendurable. Say it again.
unendurable.
Okay. How would you pronounce the word the plus unendurable? How should that sound?
Okay, there is a
Okay.
short.
But what is the ending of the word the? Is that a consonant or a vowel? The. Is that a consonant sound or a vowel sound?
Is a vowel sound.
Okay. What is that vowel sound?
Uh,
Uh.
is
Okay.
uh,
What does unendurable start with? What kind of sound does that start with? Unendurable.
und,
Uh,
uh,
Is that the same sound?
yes,
Is that the same sound? The
yes, same
unendurable.
sound.
Okay.
Say,
But go ahead.
yes, same sound.
All right. But when
Yes, yes,
when
same
go ahead.
sound.
But
Yes,
but
same sound. The undurable.
when a word starts with a vowel sound like unendurable, the changes to the. Did you ever notice that? That if a
Oh,
word starts with a vowel sound, you
yes,
you say
yes.
the and not a. So
Okay, yes, yes. I
so
forget it. Okay,
so
the
so the way that you
yeah
say those two
the
words, the way that you say those two words is the unendurable, the unendurable.
the undurable.
The unendurable. The unendurable. Can you say those two words together again?
The okay, sir. The unendurable.
Okay, the unendurable. Okay. And then we have the word wait. 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 What do you think about the vowel sounds in that word? Wait. Are those big sounds or little sounds? Is that a long vowel sound or a short one?
It's a P. It's a long. It's a wait.
Okay.
Eight.
So we have the
A.
unendurable wait.
Unendurable wait.
Okay, the unendurable wait. What does that mean? What does that phrase mean? The unendurable wait. What is the meaning of that?
Yeah, means difficult. Yeah, not easy.
Not easy to wait. It's very, very difficult to wait. Not strong enough to wait. Can't
Yeah,
tolerate waiting. Okay. Now we have the
yeah.
word for and the. Okay. But in the middle of a sentence, it sounds like further, further,
Yes.
further, further,
Further,
further,
further,
further.
further.
So we have the unendurable wait for
The unendurable
the
wait for the
further, further, further. The
further.
unendurable wait for the test. What do you think about that vowel sound in the word test? Is that a big vowel sound or a little vowel sound?
Is a big sound.
Okay. So how would you say the whole phrase? The unendurable wait for the test.
The the unendurable wait for the test.
Okay.
Test.
Test results. 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 Can you say that word?
Test.
Results.
Results.
Mhm.
Results.
What do you think about now? If you listen to the way I'm saying it, what do you think about the vowel sounds? Ooh, uh, ooh, uh. Are those long sounds or
Uh
short?
oh.
Results, results. Are those long or short?
Is oo part is long.
Okay,
Oh.
and the r part, is that big or small? Results.
The result is small.
Uh-huh. Test results.
Test results.
Hmm. So that, and that's got the long, short, long pattern that English likes. Test results.
Test results.
Hmm. The unendurable wait for the test results.
The unendurable wait for the test results.
Okay. Left, left. What do you think about that vowel sound in there? Is that a long sound or a short sound?
Is long, is laughed.
Okay. So, and then what if we have lefter? Lefter. What about her? Is that a big sound or a short sound there? Lefter.
Is small, is
Okay.
laughter.
Yeah, so we
Laughter.
have that pattern. So we've got test results lefter. Big, small, big, small, big, small. Test results lefter.
Test results laughter.
Mm-hmm. Lefter feeling. Lefter feeling.
Left laughter feeling.
Yeah, so we have that big small. We're still keeping that big small rhythm. The unendurable
Yes.
wait for the test results left her feeling.
The undesirable wait for the test results left her feeling.
Okay, and then we have the final word, which I think was a little bit difficult for you to pronounce. So let's take a look at. Let's break that down a little bit. Okay, so we've got
Okay.
uh, ink, she.
Ang, see,
Okay, and let's say us. So we've got three vowel sounds here. What is the first vowel sound? Ink.
ang,
Uh-huh. What is the next vowel sound?
a,
What is the
ang,
next
e,
syllable? Sorry, the next syllable.
c,
Okay, don't forget to whistle when you say she.
she, she,
She.
she,
She. Ink
she,
she. Ink she. Say it again. Ink she.
angry, angry,
Okay.
angry,
What is the final syllable?
us.
Okay. So one syllable finishes with a vowel sound, and then the next syllable starts with a vowel sound. What do you have to do to make it very clear, the word that you're saying?
Yeah, the initial sound E should be long.
Repeat the E. Anxious.
Yeah,
Anxious.
anx, anxious,
Anxious.
anxious,
Anxious.
anxious,
Just try to say it a little bit faster. Anxious.
Anxious.
Anxious. Don't forget to whistle. You have to whistle. Shh, shh.
Okay. Anxious. Anxious.
Anxious.
Anxious. Anxious.
Yeah, that's good. Okay. The unendurable wait for the test results left her feeling anxious. Can you say the entire phrase?
Okay. The undurable wait for the test result left her feeling anxious, anxious,
Anxious,
anxious,
anxious, anxious. Okay.
anxious.
Now, how many phrases do you think we could divide this sentence into?
Yeah, three.
Three. Tell me, what is the first phrase?
Okay. The undurable wait for the test results.
Okay. Can you say that again? Unendurable, 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 unendurable.
Unendurable,
Okay.
unendurable, unendurable.
So the first phrase, what is the first phrase?
The unendurable wait for the test results.
Okay, so and remember because unendurable starts with you say the unendurable wait for the test.
Okay. The unendurable wait for the test results.
Is it the or the?
The
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 unendurable, the unendurable wait.
unendurable wait.
Hmm. Is it wit or wait?
Wait.
Don't forget to pull your tongue back like a snake. Wait, wait.
Wait. Wait.
The unendurable
Wait.
for the test results. Okay, try to say the
Yeah.
whole thing.
The 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 unendurable wait for the test results
Wit or wait? Which one?
is a wait.
Wait, wait, wait. The unendurable wait for the test.
Wait.
What is the next phrase?
Okay. So left her feeling
Okay, left her feeling. Okay, and what is the final phrase?
is an anxious. But
Anxious.
yeah, but we can do, yeah, but we can do another way. For example, the unendurable wait for and in the test results left her feeling anxious. Feeling anxious is same.
So, how do you want to do it? Do you want to change it?
So yes,
Okay, what is the first phrase? Tell me the first phrase.
the unendurable wait for
Okay, so
uh,
so your first phrase is here. Is that right? The unendurable wait for
yeah,
phrase. And then what is your second phrase? What do you want your second phrase to be?
yeah. Second phrase is okay for the test results. Yeah,
Okay.
but the last should be feeling anxious. Yes.
Okay. So I think maybe one thing, if you want to do it like this, I think that's okay. But I think we could stop at wait and add for to the phrase in the middle for the test results. I think that would be better.
Yeah. Yes. Many people do the pause before the verb.
Before the what?
Before the verb. For example, the the unendurable and and a slight pause and wait for the test results.
Oh, I see. The unendurable wait for the test. The unendurable wait for the test results. You could even do it like this: the unendurable wait for the test results.
Yes, yes,
You're feeling anxious. So that's one,
yeah,
three,
yes.
four. So we've got four phrases. Okay, you can do it like that. That would be okay. All right. So s- is this a serious? Do you want to sound serious in, or do you want to have a serious tone in this idea, or do you want to sound friendly and nice in this tone, in this sentence? I'm getting confused.
Mm,
Which one?
yeah, it is serious.
Serious? Okay. So we're going to start the phrase with a high tone, the, but then by the time we get to dur, it should be low. So tell me the with a high tone. How would you say the in a high tone?
The
Okay. How would you say dur in a low tone?
is a, is a doer, is doer,
Dur, dur, dur,
is door, is
dur,
door,
durable.
durable, is durable.
The unendurable.
The unendurable.
Okay. Now, when we get to wait, we've got this phrase. It's just one word. And is this a serious
No,
word,
I think
or is it?
no,
It's
I
okay.
think
You can.
wait for
I think. I think it would be better to connect for with the test results. It would. It's
yes,
okay. It's okay
yeah,
to have wait.
yes,
It's okay to have wait as a standalone phrase if you want. Okay, but just depends on how you say it. So, do you want to say it in a happy, friendly way or in a serious way?
yeah, it's just
How is it? Is it a serious phrase or a happy, friendly phrase? Which
yeah, it's just serious.
okay. So it is one word, but it's also a phrase in this case. So we'll want to say this with a falling tone, starting high and finishing low.
Yeah,
Wait, wait.
wait, wait,
The
wait.
unendurable wait.
The undurable wait.
Okay. The unendurable wait. Okay, now we have another phrase here for the test results. What do you think is the most important word in
Okay,
the phrase?
yeah, is results.
Okay, is it results or results? Where's the accent?
Yeah, results.
It's on.
Result first. Results.
No, it's not on the first syllable. It's not results. It's results. Results. It's on the second syllable.
Okay. Results. Results.
Results.
Okay.
And
So
is this a very serious sounding
results
phrase or is this a happy, friendly phrase?
is serious. Results.
Results, not results, but results. If you say results, that's if you say results, that's a verb. Results
Okay. So
is
results.
results is a noun. So
Okay.
you have to put the accent
Yes.
on the second syllable. Okay.
Okay. So results. Results.
So let's practice saying this. First, we'll start with a high tone. For, because it's the beginning of our phrase. For. Can you
Yeah.
for with a high tone?
For
How would you say
is a
zolts in a low?
for
For, and how would you say zolts in a low tone?
is a
For zolts.
jolt.
For zolts.
For jolts.
For results.
Puzzles.
For the test results. For the test results.
For the test result. For
For
the
the test
test results.
for the test results.
For the test results.
Okay. The unendurable wait for the test results.
The undurable wait for the test results.
Okay. And we have our final phrase here, left her feeling anxious. And what do you think would be the most important word
Okay.
in that phrase?
Yes, feeling or anxious.
Left her feeling anxious.
Annex,
Left her feeling anxious.
ang- anxious,
Yeah,
anxious.
I think it probably should be anxious. I mean, you can focus on any word that you want, but I think it probably should be the word anxious. Now, when you hear that
Yeah.
sound, where's the accented syllable? Which syllable has the strongest sound? Anxious. Anxious.
XI, anxious,
No,
anxious,
I think I disagree with
XI.
you. I think it's the first syllable. Anxious. Anxious.
Okay,
Anxious.
anxious, anxious,
Anxious. Anxious. Anxious.
anxious.
And what is the tone of this phrase? Is this a serious tone or a happy, friendly tone?
Is serious,
Okay, it's a
serious.
serious tone. All right. So how would you say left if it's a high sounding tone? Left, ang. Left, that's high. Ang is low. Say
Mm.
left in a high tone.
Left
Left,
and
left,
left
ang.
and
So now let's make a bridge from
l-
high to low with her feeling. Left her feeling anxious. Left her feeling anxious. See how we're going down? Left her feeling anxious.
left her feeling anxious, anxious.
Anxious.
Left her feeling anxious,
Anxious. Because
anxious.
because the second part is not accented, it sounds like one small syllable. Actually, let's just change that. Since we're not emphasizing the word, it doesn't matter. And let's just make it one syllable. Shus. Anxious. That's easier to say anyway. Anxious.
Yes, yes.
Anxious. Left her feeling anxious.
Anxious.
Okay. So we
Okay.
have the
Left her.
go ahead. Do it.
Okay. Left her feeling anxious,
Anxious. Don't forget to
anxious,
just whistle though. Anxious. Anxious.
anxious, anxious.
Mm-hmm. Okay. The unendurable, the unendurable wait for the test results left her feeling anxious.
Undurable wait for the test results left her feeling anxious,
Don't forget to
anxious,
whistle in the middle of that word. Anxious. Whistle.
anxious,
Anx-
anxious.
anxious. Okay. How would you make a yes no
Yeah.
question with that sentence?
So, do does the unendurable wait for the test result? Yeah,
This is hard.
left her feeling.
Okay. This is difficult because this is a complicated sentence, actually. But what is the verb in that sentence? I'm writing I'm putting the sentence back up here in a very clear way without any kind of notations on it so you can read it. Can you identify the verb in that sentence?
That is just left. Yeah, left
Yeah,
is
you're
past
right.
tense. Yeah.
That's the verb. So how will you make your question?
So did 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 the undurable wait for the test results leave her feeling Annexus,
Anx-
annexus,
anxious,
annexus,
anxious, anxious. Let's do it.
an- anxious, anxious,
Anxious. Don't forget to
anxious,
whistle. Shh, shh. Anxious.
anxious,
That's good.
anxious,
Uh,
anxious
how do you say wait? Is that wet or wait? How do you pronounce that?
is a weight, is
Wait.
a
Did
weight.
did the unendurable wait for the test results leave her feeling anxious?
The unendurable wait for the test results left her feeling anxious,
Oh,
anxious,
you made one mistake. Can you try to fix that mistake?
ang- ang- anxious.
Anxious. That's a very good pronunciation for anxious, but you made a grammar mistake when you made your question.
Okay, so did did the unendurable wait for the test result leave
That's
her
right.
feeling anxious,
Anxious. Don't forget
anxious,
to whistle. Shh, shh. Anxious,
anxious,
anxious. Did
anxious?
verbal wait for the test results leave her feeling anxious?
Does the unendurable wait for the test results leave her feeling anxious,
Uh,
anxious,
it's not. It's in the past. How do you make a
anxious?
question in the past?
Okay, so did
Uh,
did the unendurable wait for the test result leave her feeling anxious,
okay.
anxious?
Anxious, anxious. Okay, good. How would you answer no to that question?
No, the unendurable wait for the test results didn't leave her feeling anxious,
Okay.
anxious.
All right. Good. All right. Well, I think that we have to stop here for today. Okay. But
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
thank you for everyone who participated and asked questions and stayed until the end. And I think later tonight we will be reading Dracula in about 8 hours from now. We'll be reading Dracula,
Yeah.
and I hope to see you again at that time. All right. Thank you and goodbye.
Bye bye, sir.
Bye bye.